Hey, future medics. Today we're talking about how some molecules get into the cell, not by brute force, but with a little bit of help. And this is important for understanding diabetes. So, facilitated diffusion is still passive. There's no ATP required. It's just when some molecules are either too large, not lipid soluble, or just structurally wrong or incompatible with the cell layer, they can't get in on their own. So they need a helper protein, like a carrier protein, to hold their hand and pull them into the cell. Think of this like a member of a club. If you are a member to a club, you can just walk in. But if you're not a member to that club, you can't get in. But if you have a friend who is a member of that club, you can get in with them. Carrier proteins are the same. They are the friend with a membership who will get you, the non membership friend, into the club. Glucose is not lipid soluble, so it can't get into the cell on its own. But we just discussed how important glucose is and that we need it to make ATP for the body to live. So then, how are we going to get this very important thing into the cell? Insulin. Insulin is a carrier protein and it binds together with glucose to get it past the bouncers and into the club. Insulin is your membership having friend. And then, once glucose is in the cell, we can break it down to make ATP. So, in the body, if you have no insulin or not enough, glucose cannot make it into the cell. So then glucose will stay in the bloodstream and it won't be able to be metabolized into ATP for the body. Cells will start to starve and die. pH will go up. Well, it'll become acidic, so it'll drop. And that's how we get diabetic ketoacidosis. So facilitated diffusion is still passive, but it requires a helper. Glucose can't make it into the cell without insulin. And there's other molecules that have the same problem and have their own carrier proteins that they bind with. So now that you know the importance of a friend with a membership, we're going to move into osmosis. And it's how water moves. And the fact that water follows the solute is more important than you think. I know you're doing great. I believe in your ability to understand hard things. I'll see you for the next one.